In this video, I'm going to show you how to open an MT5 Exness trading account. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is create an account with Exness, and then once you've done this, you'll be directed to your personal area inside Exness over here. So inside the Exness personal area, you want to go to Trading, top left, and you want to click on Accounts. From here, if you want to open an MT5 Exness trading account, you want to pick if you want to create a real account or a demo account. Now, it doesn't matter which one you actually pick because the process is pretty much the same, so I'm just going to show you this with one of them. But of course, a real account is a real account where you have to put on your real money, but a demo account here is going to have demo funds, which you can use for demo paper trading, okay? So I'm going to go with demo right now. I'm going to hit the open account button, and as you can see, it looks the same if you do a real account and click on open account over here. Now, once you've done this, you want to pick your account you want to open. You have professional and standard accounts. I'm actually going to go with this standard one right now. You can pick whichever you want and click on continue. In here, again, you can switch between demo and real still, and then of course you can go and select your currency, and if you have demo, you can pick your starting balance. Otherwise, there's no starting balance, of course, because you must deposit your own money. And then once you do this, I'm going to actually make this 50K. You can go and put it on a nickname. I'm going to type in demo MT5, and down here it says max leverage. You can go and set the leverage which you want to use, and then here it says platform, and you can then go and basically select MT5 from the list. So to open an MT5 account, click on MT5, put in the trading password you want to use. So I'm actually going to put in something simple, just like this. There we go. You can then hit the create account button, and there we go. It says trading account has been successfully created, and then you'll find it in here. It's an MT5 account. You can go and trade, you can connect it to MT5, etc. Now, if you want to know how to connect it, I do have a separate video teaching you exactly how to do it, and yeah, you can go watch that. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.